Welcome back to Primetime News. Thanks for staying with us. We continue our look at the chaos ahead of the weekend lockdown, as in most rural parishes, it was a similar situation as last-minute shoppers converged on the major towns to stock up on supplies, such as food. Now we have more in this report from Sasha Hamilton.
The story was the same at every shopping district we visited between Thursday and Friday. Residents were out doing last-minute buying and selling to get ready for the lockdown this weekend. Over in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth, parts of the market were left empty by mid-morning Friday as scores of vendors took to the streets to try and catch potential sales, and that contributed to gridlock in the town. Some vendors were worried about their produce.
Oh my God, the market is so congested. Congested, but people now wear their masks neither. Enough of them.
What do you think about this half-year thing? Will it affect you?
Yes, it affect me bad because I have the whole heap of load them and a half day tomorrow. How me I go get to sell them off? How me I go get to sell them off? Them I go spoil for me. Hello? Can't work. You have day, can't work on Saturday. So I only say I have to do something about it.
Other residents questioned whether the lockdown was the best option at this time.
I'm financially embarrassing. Now them things are going on. Everything spent out. Everything spent out. Remember me I tell you that someone who the government do for all man like me. You see me, disabled. We not get no benefit, nothing. People them not own their money till certain hours, and when you lock me down from 12 o'clock, how me I go manage with people who do me trust? How me I go survive with it? Talk to me, brother. Me I look for you to take the country forward and lead we in our progress as a young, bright, brilliant youth. Talk to me about the lockdown. Me not see no sense in that, my brother.
The rain in Yala St. Thomas Friday did little to slow the rush of shoppers on the town, while traffic crippled the streets of Ocho Rios St. Anne as commuters also sought to get last-minute business done. In Clarendon, things were tricky for shoppers. The largest and most popular wholesale in the parish capital, May Pen, has been closed for nearly 2 weeks. This has created a rush on other grocery outlets. We spoke with the operators of one wholesale. They explained how they're handling the demand for certain foods as well as the crowds.
We have opened up 2 WhatsApp lines for persons to WhatsApp in their orders. We have also done call-in orders, and they order via email. Once this is done, then we prepare the items that they would have ordered and they would have come and pick them up. We have also introduced a delivery service where persons can ask for delivery, of course at a minimal cost to the customer, and that helps to ease the pressure that we are undergoing even now.
Sasha Hamilton, TVJ News.